my besties! In today's video I'm gonna show you how to make a Christmas wreath. If I can do it under 15 minutes with a baby on my table, dog jumping around and a bird on my shoulder, that means you can do it even quicker than me. So easy, so fun, stay tuned. Oh, and we will be using mostly Dollar Tree items, so pick your favorite sign, a wreath form, some of that beautiful frosted greenery. You can find some flowers there, poinsettias, and any ribbon. I'll be actually using some leftover ribbons that I already have on hand. Oh, and they have cute little ornaments as well. We will start off by attaching the sign to the wreath form, and you can use the hole that's already right there at the top of your sign. Just run a floral wire through there and twist it a few times. And on the other side, you can just add some hot glue right there at the points where the sign touches the wreath form. Dollar Tree has so many cute signs. Let me know which one is your favorite this year. Next, we are going to make a quick bow. Measure 10-inch tail, then 12 inches fold in half. That's a 6-inch loop. And we are going to make 3 of them. And then cut another tail about 10 inches. Tie it all together in the center using a pipe cleaner. Just twist tie it a couple times. And you can see we have 3 loops here and 2 tails. You can fold the ends in half and cut diagonally for a fishtail. And if you have another ribbon, you can make a second bow to put on top of this one. And I have a little helper today. Her name is Eleni, my little niece. Oh, she is so curious as she discovers the world around her. Took away my ruler, but I'm just gonna eyeball it. This is the exact same thing that we did previously. About 10-inch tail, 12 inches folded in half. We got a first loop, and we're gonna just make one more pinch, put it all together. No, not scissors, honey. So we are going to make an easy one. 2 loops, 2 tails, just a regular bow. Cut and tie this on top of the first one. Very easy. Just spread it out now so the ribbons are alternating. And this is what we got. Oh, she loves those scissors. No. We gotta cut the fishtails. Fluff it up, and we are going to add the third ribbon on top. And we are going to measure again 10 inches, 12 inches, pinch, fold in half. And I think 1 loop is actually enough. So basically we did 3 loops, 2 loops, and 1. 3 to 1 bow. How about that? And just tie that bow on top. She won't give up those scissors. Come here, you stinker. Come to your auntie. Ugh, who remembers terrible tools? Who remembers? This is just such a fun stage. I can't. And of course, Coco needs my attention too. Eleni, look at the doggy. No? No, scissors are more fun. So we're going to make sure that we got all the fishtails cut, and then we are going to fluff it up and attach the bow to the top of the wreath. Easy as that, guys. what can I say? Show must go on. And as you can see, a beautiful bow really makes this wreath. You don't need much at all. And now we are just going to add some greenery all around there. Of course, cut it apart. That's key. And this is 2 bushels here. So I kept 2 pieces longer. And I'm going to add them on each side of the wreath and then fill in all around the bow with the shorter pieces, okay? And as you insert these in, you're going to add some hot glue so they stay in place. And this is pretty much a symmetrical wreath. What you do on one side, you do on the other, so that makes it real easy. And now we will fill in all around the bow. And this is what we got so far. That frosted greenery is perfect for the blues in that sign, but now the touch of the red poinsettia will be just the cherry on top. It's also right there in the sign, so how perfect that Dollar Tree carries all these items for us. Alright, so this might be just the cherry on top, those cute little camper ornaments. One here, one there. What do you think? Too bad they don't have a camper emoji. Oh, I forgot to mention, this is actually a special order for my sister's bestie. And they camp together. They both have campers and they go on trips throughout the year together. And sometimes I join them too. I think camping is so much fun. I love being close to nature and just relax and be away from the phones and technology sometimes. How about yourself? Comment, let me know. And now for the final step, we are going to fill in any holes we have with some more greenery. And I have only this frosted fern left, but I think it's still the same shade as the other greenery and it's gonna look great. So I'm just gonna add it all around the wreath where I see some bare spots. And finally, we are going to insert a pipe cleaner in the back and make a nice loop and use that as a hanger. When done, hang your wreath and see if you can fix anything. And I can tell you right there that it bothers me that I don't see my camper ribbon that much. When you cut it and tie it, it happens sometimes. So what I like to do is just cut that segment of the ribbon that I like to display, cut the fishtail on one end, and attach a wire on the other end, and insert into your wreath where you wish, just like that. All right, my helper is ready to deliver the wreath. Thank you so much for watching, my besties. Don't forget to press thumbs up, subscribe if you want to be my bestie, and see you next time. Take care. Bye-bye. Merry Christmas. Love you.